Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can tell, I am home, which you probably could tell from my update video that I did as well. I'm glad I did not film a move out video because it was very stressful. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the new iPad. So it's the iPad 5th generation, I believe, as well as the new Apple Pencil. The reason why I did this was because I'm going into my senior year of college and I'm also planning to go to school after college, and over the years I've accumulated many notebooks of which I don't fill the whole thing and then they kind of just sit there and go to waste. I do keep them, which I probably shouldn't. I should probably start recycling them, but I wanted to get it just for one, to have a lighter backpack, and for two, for ease of access. So that's in this box, so I'm going to be opening it for you today. Alright, so first, this is the case I bought. So it is the purple iPad. If you know me, you know my favorite color is purple, so I wanted to get the purple one. And this is the case it came with, or this is the case that I bought with it. And it has a little place for the pencil to go right in here. So that's going to be really nice to have. And this is the screen protectors that I bought for it, so I could have a screen protector on my iPad. Alright, and here is the iPad. So I do have an iPad right now, but it's really old because I bought it when I was really little. So I don't know, like, it can't really do a lot. It just also doesn't have a lot of storage. So that's why I wanted to get a new one, and I'm probably just going to set it up as a new iPad because I don't really have much to transfer over from my old one. I also think that my old one is dead, and I don't remember the last time it got backed up. But anyway, so now we will open it up. Alrighty, so okay. Ta-da! Alright, and then we take this part off. So let me take it out of the box. Alright, so it's actually very light, which will be nice. So here's what it looks like from the back. So we take this off. Ooh. Oopsie. And here is the iPad. Not me already getting fingerprints on it. Yay. So it's definitely like a darker purple. It's like a purpley blue almost. But yeah, and then the other things in the box. This is the charger. So it looks like it's a USB-C charger. So it's the same charger as the MacBook. So that'll be nice. I also know that like it doesn't have a headphone jack, so if you ever want to like plug in, you have to use like Bluetooth, unless there's like USB-C headphones. I don't know, maybe I'll have to look and see if that's a thing. But okay, let's turn it on and set it up. Alright, so I'm gonna get it set up and I'm gonna open the Apple Pencil now. So here's what the Apple Pencil looks like. Oop. There's the iPad already. So I'm probably not going to film you setting it up because that's going to be boring. But I will film me unboxing the pencil. The worst part is going to be when I have to put the screen protector on, because I always mess it up and sometimes they end up with like bubbles and it's really annoying. But okay, so looks like I can just pull it out like this. And then it looks like, there it is, so pretty. So I'll have to read the instructions on setting it up. But yeah, so that was the iPad 5th generation and the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. So I just unboxed it, and I can do a review of it in another video as well once I get this all set up. Hope you enjoyed watching me unbox this. I don't know how entertaining unboxing videos are, but people do them all the time. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!